I will show you how to make this resume in Microsoft Word. Don't skip the video, try to watch full video because not only I will show you how to make this resume structure, but also I will share you some important resume writing insight which will help you to build your own resume using this template. First, open Microsoft Word, go to Layout, select Margin. For this resume, I am choosing 0.5 option here. Then go to Size, select A4 option here. Now go to Home, select No Space option here so that resume will be much more compact. Now go to Insert, select Shape, select Text Box here. Draw the text box, adjust the text box size. For this I am choosing 1 inch into 8.25 inch. Then select shape fill. I am choosing this color here. Go to outline. I am selecting no outline color here. Go to home. Select no space option here too. Now add name. Select name and make it big. For this I am choosing 36 size in here. I am choosing font Calibri and make it bold. Now I am adding contact information, address, phone number, mail, as well as LinkedIn. If you have portfolio website or link, you can add that too, like Dribbble, Behance, GitHub, or according to your job industry. Adjust the position in here. Now check this. Move this portion here. Use enter and do this for 2 page so that you can move the shape easily. Now add job title, make it in middle position. You can add a border. Now make it small, make it this portion or this line small with font 0.8. Now space enter, paste high performance keyword relevant to your job industry and your skill set. Make it in middle position. You can use these as highlight point and change the color according to your preference. You can use no color or use background color. Now if you don't understand this portion in here, let me tell you, like if you are a Java engineer, your high performance keyword can be a Java or Angular or other. If you are in marketing sector, your high performance keyword can be channel marketing, B2B marketing. It's depend on your skill set, job industry. Try to find or choose the high performance keyword that you have already experience with. Now go to insert, go to shape, select another text box, draw the text box. For this portion here, select this size, choose background color, remove outline, go to home, select no space option here. Now add signature achievement in this portion. You can use bullet point like I am doing it. You can change the bullet point shape from here. Why this portion is important? Because within this signature achievement, you can easily call attention to hiring people. Use it wisely and strategically. Use punchline with achievement with result-oriented metrics. Again, go to insert, select shape, select a text box, draw a text box here, adjust the size 0.4 and 7.27, shape fill with this color, select outline with no outline, add strength and expertise or key proficiency in this portion, adjust the position in here. Now go to insert, select table, draw a table. For this resume I am selecting this, increase the size. Now here you can adjust the bullet point according to your preference. Go to home, select bullet point, write the skill name according to your preference. Make the skill name big and bold or 12 font. Plus, you can change the bullet point color in here if you want. Try to use same bullet point color, or you can segment it according to your preference. Copy paste this option. Make adjustment with keyboard. Now select all, change the name option here, add job experience in here. In job experience, you should consider to add job title, company name, job type, location, duration, and job description. Job description is very important. Try to use action verb, technical term to describe what you do. Use keywords, skill set to describe how you do. Use result-oriented metrics to describe what is the impact you bring to the company. You can change the bullet point color in here. Copy this, paste it in here. Page 2. Make it short, change the font size 16 to 10 or 12. Again, copy this portion here, paste it, change the name into project. Now provide project description with title, institution name, location or duration, and description. Again, copy this portion here, paste it in here. Change the name. If you have complete some training in university or institution or outside institution that is related to job industry, or you can complete this training in the job, copy this portion and paste it here. Adjust the position. You can use keyboard, change the name, add education portion in here, mention these things, especially university name, degree name, location, and graduation date. You can add CGPA if you want. Copy this portion in here, paste it. Change the section name. You can add coursework if those courses are related to your job industry. Copy this option here, adjust the position. Then you can add certification or award section in here. If you have both, you can segment this, or you can take extra section in here too. Regarding certification, you should consider add certification that is relevant to job industry. Copy this section again, adjust the position, change the name, add the language you are proficient. Copy this section again and paste it and adjust the position in here. Change the section name in here. You can add hobbies or volunteer work. Depend on your experience, you can add both. You can change the bullet point option in here. Again, copy this option here, paste it, change the section name to others. If you apply in US, UK or European country, you should consider to add this section in here. Then you can delete this section in here that is not required. Then it will become a 2-page. You can use this resume for international job application. We try to cover all the important section in here. I hope you like this video. Now go to File, export it as a PDF. Whenever you want to print this file or send it to someone, kindly subscribe our channel so that you will get more updated information about resume. Thank you.